Hey guys, went over to soccer room. Look at what I got. Da 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 da. Chicken. Now look at that chicken, and look at this cookie. Now that's a big ass cookie right there. That's a full size cookie. Now look at the chicken again. Look at the container. Look at the cookie. Now look at the cost. How much is that? That's $3.99. That's a $4 million right there down the drain. I worked so hard. We're sweeping for 4 or 5 hours to get that chicken, and them niggas tricked me, man. I wanted that teriyaki chicken, but I got more chicken in my pants, man. Why these niggas trick me so much? I told you, big boy, you go to the sacro, they trick you like that, you know? They trick me so bad too. I don't know. Like a $4, you really think that other shit? They just want your money. Like, I know, man. I like totally, like they like. Oh no, man, they're really taking money and everything. I know, oh my god. I went over there too, and they tricked me like this too, man. I don't know why I really wanted teriyaki that day, but I'm never gonna go over there again, man. I know, man. I feel you on that, and I feel you in some other spots too, man. But I don't know. I mean, I got more chicken in my pants, dog. All these niggas all just try to trip my ass like that, man. I don't know, man. Why do they trick me like that, big boy? I got more chicken in my pants, motherfucker.